Hello, Mama Cass. Ito na yung promise ko sa'yo. This is The Ordinary Song. Ang tema ng song is in love ka sa isang tao na medyo nalilibang pa siya sa labas, nalilibang pa siya sa mga kung ano-ano mga ginagawa niya. But because in love ka sa kanya, you are there na parang maghintay sa kanya. In case bumalik mo siya sa'yo or dadating siya sa'yo, ready ka na i-accept siya dahil love mo siya. Sino kaya hinihintay mo, Mama Cass? Sana ako yun. I miss you, Mama Cass. Ito na yung request mo. Ordinary Song. Play ko lang po. Sana magustuhan mo, Mama Cass. Ordinary Song.
Special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you. I may not have much to show, no diamond to glow, no limousines to take you where you go. But if you ever find yourself tired of all the games you play, when the world seems so unfair, you can count on me to stay. Just take some time to lend an ear to this ordinary song. An ordinary song for a special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you. I don't even have the looks to make you glance my way. The clothes I wear just seems so absurd, but deep inside of me is you give life to what I do. All those years may see you through, and I'll be waiting here for you. If you have time, please lend an ear to this ordinary song. Just an ordinary song for a special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you.
Ordinary Song from a special girl like you. Bye-bye, Mama Cass.